Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Paycom. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paycom.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Paycom website. Now in order to reset your forgotten password, simply hover over to the login section and then from the drop-down menu, click on your appropriate login. You will then be taken into the official login portal, where you will be asked to enter your username and your password. Now in order to reset your forgotten password, simply click on the Forgot Password option underneath the login section. You will then be taken into the password recovery page. Just go ahead and enter your credentials, including your username, the last 4 digits of your social security number or your PIN number, and then your date of birth, and click on the next button. Once you click on this, you will be allowed to enter a new password for your account on Paycom. Then you can simply type in your new password and confirm it by clicking on the submit button, and then your password will be reset. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Paycom. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.